This is the final video to fix the weird avatar editor glitch in Roblox. And if you've been stuck trying to change your avatar, but the editor keeps acting strange, you're not alone. This glitch happens because Roblox sometimes fails to load all avatar assets correctly, causing items to disappear or buttons to freeze. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving you frustrated and wasting time. But today, on R6, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes it in seconds without reinstalling Roblox or messing with complicated settings. All you need to do is clear the avatar cache and refresh the editor, and your avatar will load perfectly every time. This method works for both PC and mobile, and it's way faster than anything else you've tried. If you want, comment below and I'll make a full step-by-step tutorial, so you can follow along easily and never deal with this glitch again.